beats faster when I know it's the last one. One day you will search for me to say sorry, but believe me, that will be too late. People teach better lessons than books. We are all bad in someone's story. One day you will regret the way you treated me. That day will definitely come. People will always judge you on your looks, no matter how pure your heart is. Accept the reality, everything is not possible in life. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Take care of your soul. Your soul is the most beautiful part of you. Whenever you feel sad, play with a kid. That smile will heal all your pain. I think about you constantly, whether it's with my mind or my heart. The reason I get blessed in the end is cause I don't do people how they do me. Can I just be a little kid again? No stress, no worries, just fun. Dear mine, I'm missing you a lot. Please take carefully, never be sad, because I always love to see you smiling. Sometimes their behavior is your answer. Time will show you who deserves your heart. The strength of the heart comes from the soundness of faith. The past is in your head and the future is in your hands. Sometimes, in order to see reality, illusion needs to be shattered. Value the person who gives you time. It's not just time, they share a part of life they share with you. When your heart and mind work together, as when you will have the ability to make anything happen. Never lose your inner beauty, no matter where life takes you. Time changes and with it priorities change too. There is always someone who silently cares for you. May your week be filled with good thoughts, kind people and happy moments. Smile more, smiling can make you and others happy. No texts, no replies, no calls, no chats, but I'm still here waiting for you. I will wait for you because honestly I don't want anyone else. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only option you have. Every present is becoming past, so what you are going through will also pass. Life is nothing without friends. The greatest gift you can give to someone is your time. Replacing me is easy, but finding a vibe like mine is impossible, I promise. Dream. You are the reason I don't believe in love anymore. It is not the play on words, but one's good deed that make him great. You will lose your value if you are texting all the time with people. It's funny how one person can make you never trust. If you want to be trusted, be honest.